Come test drive this 2003 Chevrolet S-10. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a refined six-cylinder engine. The following features are included: a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, and air conditioning. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.